Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to tell about one interesting app or a website which would earn for you without you doing anything throughout the day. Basically, I refer to you about how to earn money without a single investment. It is a genuine website through which you can earn and you can trust on it. Even a single penny you didn't give from your pocket. It can use by any person that is looking for a part-time job. This is so amazing. Here you do nothing on this app, only you have to activate your app in notification bar by turn on your internet data. So friends, let's ready for this website. Which would I suggest because I also currently use it to earn. Well, it is a genuine website so you can trust on it. If you didn't subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I'll give all the information regarding this. Basically, this website shares your unused internet data to foreign business companies who needs. Instead of sharing unused internet, they give some amount of money in terms of dollar. I explain all the things regarding sign up, how to use tricks, bonus and some payout conditions step by step in presentation. First of all, you can go through this link given below, which is my referral link. If you can go through this above link and sign up by this link, then you get the bonus points of $5. In sign up, you only have to put email ID and make a strong password. Then after, you click on the claim $5, then you get the $5 as a bonus points. Then after, you have to download this app. Here the options are also given to download in any devices such as Android, Mac and Windows. Due to this, I like this app so much. Then after, you only use your daily internet on the basis of that unused data which will convert into the money. Then after, you can click on setting option where you have to select all the option or as per your requirement. Then after, you can also limit the data which would you give. One battery optimization is open, then you have to do yes or okay. Your process of this app is completely explained. Moreover, one condition for payout are there, that is when you earn about $20, then you are eligible for withdrawal of your money into your PayPal account. Here the tips and tricks are as follows which I explain. You can increase your earning in month when you have different devices, that is having different IP address with same email ID login, and you activate this app in notification bar. You always have to on your internet data to earn money. Also, more earnings you have to refer to your friend, families and in your group by copy and pasting your referral link to your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, email, WhatsApp or in any social media. Here commission for referring is also given. If you have some doubts regarding this, comment down below. It's a great opportunity to earn the money online without any single investment. So hurry up friends. So friends, thank you for your support. Take care and stay safe.